Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video.
She called me the real life womanizer. Up in her belly when she got me tight. Watching her nothing like firefighter. Put her to sleep, let's run.
The first thing I'm doing right now is I'm just sorting out my hair. Obviously this is still bedhead, so I'm just going to be brushing it and sorting it into the style that I want.
I love Christmas.
Okay guys, now I'm basically just parting my hair, trying to see which part is in which sides is gonna look the best. Yeah guys, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I do side parts I can never tell which side looks better. Right now I'm just deciding which side suits me best.
I love Christmas.
Okay guys, so as you can tell, I finally decided which side I think suits me best. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using for my edges is Gummy wax and Murray's Edge wax. I just like to blend them together, it gives like a stronger hold. And yeah, my edges don't really wash off, it gets hard. So as you can see now, I'm just doing my edges, trying to make them sleek, trying to swoop, you know what I'm saying guys?
I love Christmas.
Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be adding more eco gel to try and mix the product that I've put on my edges with the eco gel, because yeah, just to give it a stronger hold. So I'm just going to be tying my hair, trying to make the bun as small as possible, because I'm going to be adding some extensions onto my hair as well, because yeah, it just looks better with curly extensions in my opinion. But yeah, I'm going to be adding some extensions, so I have to make the bun as small as possible. And right now I'm just trying to flatten down the side part as flat as possible.
I love Christmas.
Okay guys, so I've continued to add more eco gel onto my hair, trying to make it as flat as possible still, and I'm using my little edge control brush to try and make it as flat as possible. Guys, I don't even know where my hard bristle brush is, because that'll probably be the best thing to use. I'm just trying to get the little curly bits on my edges, and yeah, I'm doing the last bits of the style. Oh my god guys, by this time I was kind of vexed at the way it turned out. But yeah, anyways, just to hold the side part, make sure you add some curvy grips, because that's what I did. Yeah, so I'm just adding my head wrap and then blow drying it to make it as flat as possible, because I do not want my hair to have any flying bits. So now I'm just adding some hair extension, just some of that kinky natural looking hair. Guys, if you ask me where I got this hair from, I don't even know. You know them ones that like you just have hair extension in your house. So yeah, I just found it, now I'm putting it on my head. So yeah, I'm just trying to make that as secure as possible, in the right shape, not too big, not too small. Now taking off my head wrap, making sure everything's in place, and yeah, that is the final look, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe and tell me what you think.